Going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today we are going to talk about Credit Karma high yield savings account. Credit Karma Money is a financial services platform that offers a high yield savings account called Credit Karma Money Save. The account offers an APY of 4.1%, which is significantly higher than the national average. The account is designed to help users earn more interest on their savings, with interest compounding daily, monthly, quarterly, or annually depending on the bank. To open a Credit Karma Money Save account, users must be a member of Credit Karma and have a valid Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number. There is no minimum balance required to open the account, and there are no monthly maintenance, transfer, or withdrawal fees. Users can set up automated savings, allowing the high yield savings rate to earn them more money while they save. Credit Karma Money also provides an online checking account called Credit Karma Money Spend, which offers a Visa debit card, early payday, and overdraft coverage for up to $20 when users set up a monthly direct deposit of $750 or more. The Credit Karma Money accounts are designed for those seeking a no-frill checking account and savings account with high yield APY. However, the platform has received mixed reviews, with users praising the lack of fees and high-yield savings account, but some expressing concerns about customer service and controversies involving the company. Despite these concerns, the Credit Karma Money Save account remains a popular choice for those seeking a high-yield savings account with no fees and a low minimum balance requirement. It is important to note that while the Credit Karma Money Save account offers a high-yield APY, users should still compare rates from other banks and financial institutions to ensure they are getting the best deal for their savings. Additionally, users should be aware of any potential risk associated with online banking and ensure they are taking steps to protect their personal and financial information. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.